Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys this feature that pretty much all Teslas have, but not many people know about. So as you can see, all my doors are open. Most people think that only the Model X has the automatic door closing feature, but actually all Teslas have that feature. So I'm going to show you here. I'm just going to get in. Alright, so I'm going to get in, put in my PIN. As you can see, the driver door, rear driver, passengers. All right, pretty much all you do, you put the car into drive. The car will know that you're gonna start moving, and when you go to drive, it'll shut all the doors for you. All right, so all you gotta do is push the pedal to drive, and there you go, all the doors are shut. All right, easy peasy. So yeah, that's a feature pretty much every Tesla has. So if somebody got out of your car, left your door open, and you need to close it, you don't need to get out of your car. Just put it into drive, go, and problem solved. It'll close themselves. All right, that's pretty much it. Oh, and the car also knows to park. So as you can see, it's in drive. If I lift my butt, right now it's on stop. If I lift my butt out of the seat, it put itself into park. Also, if you open the door, it'll also put itself into park. So let's go ahead and get out. And if you're wondering, I had this little wood thing here. Depending on what you do and how you drive, the distance will vary for how far you need to go for this to close all the doors. Also, if the doors weren't open completely out and just open partially, that will change it as well. As you can see, we got one tire here. Can put like a second one here and a third one. So pretty much 2 tires. We moved from here 1, 2. So 2 tire lengths, and you're able to shut all your doors. All right, that's it. Hopefully this video was useful to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.